Hey folks, another scorcher across the valley today. Tied another record in Brownsville at 99 degrees. And again, the record, just like yesterday, set in 1883. So we've matched another record in Harlingen, shattered the record. 105 this afternoon. Old record's 103, set back in 1915. So two records, one tied, one broken. Other highs across the valley, not records, but Edinburgh got to 105, McAllen 103, Weslaco 102, and Port Isabel topped out this afternoon at 97 degrees. So a hot day all across the valley in Harlingen. Kind of shattering an old record. Current temperatures look like this. Back down to 99 McAllen, 98 in Weslaco. Same thing Harlingen, 94 in Brownsville, 91 in Port Isabel. Still above 100 Edinburgh and Rio Grande City. Dew points still a little lower in the western part of the valley. They've dropped into the 60s, which happens a lot when the air gets that hot, but still, look at this. The dew point's still 78 in Brownsville with the temperature in the 90s. That's pegging the needle on the muggy meter. It is really humid out there. We're going with an average of 70, but that's because the upper valley's down in here. The lower valley's up on the top of that. So here's what it feels like. Add the temperature and the humidity together, and who's got the hottest reading? Well, Rio Grande City does, but second is Brownsville. Even though temperatures are only in the 90s, you add the humidity in, and it feels even hotter than it does across the upper valley where temperatures are still warmer. Overnight lows tonight back in the upper 70s and low 80s, mainly clear. 79 in Harlingen, 83 on the island for a low, 81 in Brownsville, and tomorrow's highs a lot like today, 100 plus across most of the valley. The exceptions, Brownsville at the coast, 98, 92. That wind still out of the south-southeast at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. As we look at the next 3 days, the average high is 97. We're going 102, 102, 102. Records are 103. Wouldn't take a whole lot for us to tie another record here in the Mid-Valley and perhaps even break a record or two. Doppler Network's been very quiet today, just blue skies out there, and skies should stay mainly clear this evening, maybe some clouds late, and then during the daytime tomorrow, breezy. Hard-pressed to get any showers going tomorrow, and I think when we get into Thursday, I think we're mostly sunny again. Model still trying to hint that the sea breeze tries to come to life. If it does, it would be very quick, very brief, and 99% of us don't see anything. That goes for Friday and into the weekend as well. For the most part, it's a dry forecast, but yeah, if there's a sprinkle in one or two spots, that's all it would be. Bigger picture across the rest of Texas, there's a front actually trying to make its way up into North Texas right now. Temperatures have fallen to the 80s in Oklahoma City, while it's still closer to 100 in the Dallas area. The Big Ridge still in charge. That high sitting right back over here. It's backing up a little bit. What that does is allow a little bit of moisture to come down into the region, moisten things up just a little bit more, cool the upper levels off just a little bit more, and give us that slight chance. We're talking slight, 1 or 2% for an isolated shower over the weekend. It's dry for the most part. Tonight is dry, mainly clear, 79 for low, south to southeast winds. Tomorrow back to 102, mostly sunny, breezy and hot, with winds out of the southeast at about 10 to 20 miles per hour. Here's a look at the next 7 days. Temperatures every day about 102 degrees. We're going beyond that. It doesn't change much. 101 on Saturday, 100 on Sunday, Monday, again on Tuesday, with nighttime lows around 80 or so, with skies continuing to be mostly sunny all the way through the forecast period and into the weekend. On alert tonight from the Electric Reliability Council of Texas, or known as ERCOT. They need you to conserve energy right now. Channel 5's Cecilia Gutierrez joins us in the newsroom to explain why and how you can conserve energy.